Hi everybody, it's Saturday afternoon. Where Mark's walking down, he was watching the dogs and the dogs are running away. So he's away to get the dogs. That's where the gate starts, Doreen. Where Mark's walking down there. So that's it, drive there. That in front of us with the 3 posts, that's the septic tank, Mum. And then over there, Doreen, that's where we're going to do a rental cave. In a year or two's time, we're going to do a 2 or 3 bedroom rental cave in there. Get some income later on. And then this is our drive here. Mum can show you, I've sent her the old videos when we first moved in, when we first viewed it. So there's our drive there. And this is I'll go around here. We would have parked the cars in that corner there, but we're waiting on a delivery. We're getting a ton of wood delivered. So we're just got to put it into there. Oops, my finger, sorry. Right, there's the cave. And it's been sprayed, but we're going to get it done again, and we're going to put stones. You'll probably see on the bottom we're going to put some sort of edging. Maybe up to, I don't know, just where you can see the ridge. Okay, here's the dogs coming back now. Say hi to Gran. Say hi to Gran. Hey, where you's been? Right, I'll take yous in. I'll show you here while I'm outside. This is our secret garden. That's just some of the stuff that we unpacked yesterday. That's the table and chairs. We got them for €125. And Mark's stained them all up. What a mess they were. And this is where we've got this pump house made. Couple of wee steps going down. Watch my napper. So there you go, we've got a tap and all that in here, so we've got storage. There's a gate to go on here, that's going on Monday. So we're going to tackle this area first. We're going to get this garden done first. That door there goes into our bedroom, but I'll go on for the other side. So this is the secret garden. We've left that natural there. We're going to get it properly done, and we'll get a door put on here. We'll go inside now. And there's the grills. You have a look at the grills. And the outside lights. And here's the front door. Right, we'll go inside now. Oops. There you go. And that's the cupboard that Mark painted, which was outside. It was knackered, it was just a pine, and I've put the nice handles on it. I'm too short, Zara had, so I've got to get another 2. And then painted that up. That was cheap as well. We'll go down here. And this is going into our Here's my bedroom furniture and that. And we're waiting on a price for Jess to get that. That's the walk-in wardrobe, so we're going to get all that done. Rails and shelved and that. And then straight ahead there's that wee, it should be like a wee makeup room. Okay. And there's my nice Ralph Lauren plates, which I've had for years. There's Mark having problems with the dogs, they're not coming in. There's the oak, and there's, sorry, that's table and chairs, mirror and that. And there's the other log burner. Oops. And in our weight room, got to get all the mirrors up, and Miguel was over the day, so he's got to put all my towel rails holders up, and I got that the day. Do you like my laundry basket? It just says there's Shirley take me. I'm grey and white. So our toilet roll holders and all that to go up. And then that's perfect there, look. Got that off of one of these sites. €30 that was. So I'll get that sorted out next weekend. Oh, Mark, I've got a fancy shower head. Wait, you see this? Oh, he's maybe outside. They're running daft, I like it. So here's the entrance. Got to put that wee car up there. And then into your room. Got all this sorted out on next week. Mirrors and all that are all going up. I've got a nice black rocking chair to go there. Couldn't bring that down. And then I'll get all the bed and that made up next week. And that's all my stuff there. And then this is to get finished this week as well. Then now it's come in handy for the washing and our stuff. And the shower. Where have I not been? Oh, aye. Pop through here. Hope you had a good day at the cafe the day. And the auction was good, Doreen. Oh, here's Marco here. Say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Hey.
Hello folks.
Look, he's dressed, Mum. He's not got his onesie on.
Aye. Poor show. No onesie.
No onesie.
Give me half an hour.
Right.
Onesie and a beer.
Into the dining room. I'll be able to show you this, but having to take this back to lasagna. Look, there's a big crack in it. And got that mirror to go up. Got to put that up on that wall. And then got that to go up, and it's got the mirror to go above. Got to put, look at me. Hi Minnie, I'm speaking to Gran and Doreen. Hello. Hello Minnie Moo. And the telly's up. The chaise. And I'm going to find somewhere to put the tassels. Oh, there's the phone. That might be. We're waiting on a delivery for that wood. So we'll get that. And I've nothing. Oh no! I thought something had smashed. Obviously it's alright. There you go. There's Milo. I've got that cover on there for them. The log burner. So it's like a sort of angle nook. I'm going to get a wee seat and all that sort of there, but yuck, you can't really see. But there's the. Then we're going to come into the. Maybe what about this? Do you like this? Look, a wee bit tartan. Watch. Look, this is what you call improvising. Look, sorted. There's my Christmas deckies done. I'll just do that. There you go. That's Primark. £5, €5. And there's, see my M, my A, and my A. This is my Christmas deckies sorted, watch. Oh, I'm not in the right order. But I just need to put an X. Look, then I'll have Christmas. But I've just put that away there now. Oh, in case you get lost, look, that's my thing, I like it. You come in the kitchen door, and then you go this way. Oops, got them all. The kitchen. Oh, Mum, look, I've got the washing on, just practicing. See if everything's working. Oh. And look, dishwasher's on too. Oops, I was steaming up. Oh, here, wait, I'll show you this story, Mum. Look. I've got a bargain. This is my cupboard. Look, that Denby, to kind of you'll see it. And all that in there. I've got an 80-piece Denby for €45, but I don't really care much of the selling. Oh, Christ, that doesn't sound too healthy, does it? So there you go. That's us, and there's the stable doors. 3 stable doors. No very nice day today. We've got a nice view at the kitchen window. Oops. Looks a ball. Right, well, hope you have a nice night and I'll speak to you later. Bye.